Hi, Ava and Angela here with Splitter Splat Pre-K Co-op. Today we're going to talk to you about Caterpillar Dominoes. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to print out your game cards. They actually come two to a card here. You'll notice we've just cut this in half, kind of hot dog style. And there's actually 4 unique game cards in a set. Alright, so then you're going to take the dominoes and make sure that you have up to double 6s, right? So for us, we actually have double 9s. You're going to leave everything above double 6s in the box and only use double 0s through double 6s for this game. All right, Ava, you want to explain how to play?
Yeah.
Okay.
So first, whoever's going first picks up a domino.
Okay.
And then you count the dots.
Okay.
Right? On each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do I have a 6?
Okay.
Yes,
You do.
I do.
Okay, so notice she figured out how many dots she had, and then she noticed she had that number on her caterpillar.
Yeah.
She put the domino on that number. Now what happens?
Now the next person goes.
Yep, so now it's my turn, so I'm going to flip it over. All right, ooh, I got a double 0. Okay, so let's see. Do I have a 0 on my card? I don't. I have a 10, but it's not a 0. So
maybe you can mix it up because I don't have one either.
Oh.
So maybe you can make it hard for other people.
Okay, so what Ava's saying, I think I hear her saying, is that if you don't have that number, you got to put it back in the pile.
But you mix it up.
Mix it up real good. All right,
Because maybe the next person gets it, and they don't have it. Uh-oh.
Yeah, so it's kind of a decoy for people that don't need it, but then there's also maybe people that do need it, right? If they have a card that has a 0 on it, right? All right, so that's one way to play, is if you don't have the number that you drew, you can put it back, you can mix it up if you want to make it a little bit harder. Another way that we like to play sometimes is a more cooperative way, right, Ava? So
Yeah,
what's another way you could play? If you don't have that number, what could you do with it instead of put it back?
You could give it to the next person.
Yeah.
That does have it.
Yeah, that's right. So you could help somebody else out who's playing. So we like to play that way when we want to have a more cooperative game, and we all win when everybody's board is filled up. So those are a few different ways to play, and so we're going to finish out our game, but first we're going to say goodbye.